Hello, in this video we're going to determine if Realme GT Neo 3 has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, we'll need to play music and cover each of the speakers on this phone and see if the sound is coming from one or multiple sources. And now let's determine how many speakers does this phone have. And the first one is right here, that's the call speaker. Second one is at the bottom, this one right here. And let's check for any other. I think there's a speaker here as well. But that's basically it. So now let's play music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers and see if the sound is coming from one or multiple sources. So it seems that the sound is coming from all of the speakers, and that means this phone has a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.